Hi all, welcome to eCampus tutorial. Today we're going to look into how to create an assignment. So first you go to your class. So in your intended class, you have to make sure you click the green button here to allow editing. And then you scroll down to your preferred week, or you can also add a new week for your assignment. And in your new week, go to add an activity or resource. Click on assignment, add assignment. So here is the setting page where you give the name for your assignment. And then put a bit of description so that your students know what to do. So for example, submit your assignment here, and then make sure you click the little box here so that the description can be seen on the course page. Here you can put your assignment files, the instruction of the assignments or anything, rubrics, things that are related to your assignment, and when can your students start submitting their assignments and when is due date for the assignment. And if you enable, for example, they can start submitting today on the 15th of November, and the last day for the submission is 22nd of November. And what is a cutoff date? The cutoff date is if you disable the cutoff date, students can still submit their assignments after 22nd of November, but the submission will appear red in color because it is late submission. If you click enable cutoff date, for example 22nd of November, same date as the due date, that means after 22nd of November they won't be able to submit their assignments anymore, so there will be no submit button. The rest of the things you can just simply set it as default. So submission types would be a file submissions in form of Microsoft Words or PDF documents. You can also have them to submit online, in which so they don't have to attach a file, they can just simply type their assignments in the box given. And for online text, you can set a word limit, a maximum number of uploaded files, so it is up to your preferences, and the rest you can just simply set as default. So feedback types is very important. So this is how you're going to reply your students with feedbacks regarding their assignment. So if you go to feedback types, if you click on feedback comments, you can type the comments, annotate PDF. That means if they submit in PDF document, you can also put comments on that PDF document. Feedback files means if, let's say, your students have submitted their assignments in form of Microsoft Word document, you can download those Microsoft Word documents and you can put the grades on that Microsoft Word documents, and you can reattach the file back onto eCampus so that your students can see what you have graded. So it is important for you to take feedback files so that you'll be able to upload the files that you have downloaded from your students' submission. The rest, I think, you can just simply set them as default, no need to change anything, and save and return to course. So here you already have your assignment. So once your students have submitted their assignments, you will have a let's say this is the one that have been submitted by the students. So if you want them to submit using Microsoft Word document, you have to make it clear so that they know what type of document. If it is PDF document, it will be hard for you to grade the paper once you have downloaded. So if they have submitted, this is what you will see. The number of participants in your class 27, but submitted maybe 26, so that means one person has not submitted the assignment yet. So if you go to click if you view all submissions, so you can see if the one that is in red is late submission. And here you can see the file that they have uploaded, and you can download this file, take a look at the assignment, and also grade the assignment. If you want to upload the file back to the students, you can go to grade here, click the little edit button here next to the name. So here you can also still see the file that have been uploaded, and you can write your feedback comments, and you can reattach the assignment that you have graded in feedback files. So it is important for you to click to enable feedback files when you set the assignment just now. So once you have attach the feedback files, you click save changes, and you can also make sure that you notify the students so that they are aware of it, or you can just simply tell them in the WhatsApp group or in the class. So when the students can already see the feedback files that you have uploaded, so this one, so they can download the files and they can see the grade or the corrections or the comments that you have written on the Microsoft Word files that they have uploaded. You can also upload the feedback files in Microsoft Words or PDF document. If you put a comments, so this is a comment box. Other than going to the grade, clicking on the grade button here, you can also write your comments directly here in the comment box, and save comment, and they can also reply to the comments if they have any questions. So I think that's all for the tutorial. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.